Yes, the topic is cycloid of a circle. Consider this blue color one as the rolling circle. Rolling circle, and this scale can be considered as a road surface or table surface or straight line. When a circle rolls along a straight line, this will be the left extreme corner is called point of contact between the rolling circle and the straight line. Okay, so when the circle rolls along a straight line, the point P changes its position every time. Initially is at the left end, then it rolls. When the circle rolls or the rolling circle rolls in clockwise, the point P is changing its position every time, and the point is traced continuously. The curve generated is called cycloid of a circle. Okay, consider rolling circle. This P is a point of contact. This straight line length is taken as a circumference of circle. Circumference of circle formula is 2 pi r, or 2 times of radius is diameter. So pi d is the formula. That is distance between P and P dash equal to circumference of circle. Formula is pi d or 2 pi r. And this is a point of contact between the rolling circle and the straight line. So when the circle rolls in clockwise, this is the direction of clockwise. The P point is changes its position every time. So this will be location of point P. So when the circle rolls for half revolution, the point P is changing its position every time. So this will be the newly located point P, marked as P dash. Further half revolution, when the rolling circle rolls in clockwise along the straight line, this will be newly contact point called marked as P dash. So when the point is traced every time continuously, the curve generated is called as cycloid of a circle. Okay. Further in the question, it will be asked to draw tangent and normal. That procedure I will explain following a question. Thanks. Please read the question. Draw cycloid of a circle of diameter 50 mm when it rolls along a straight line. Also draw tangent and normal at any point on the curve. So circle diameter is given as 50 mm. 50 mm means 5 centimeter. So you have to take radius of the diameter. Radius will be half of the diameter. 50 divided by 2 will be 25 mm. 25 mm will be the radius of the circle, that is 2.5 centimeter. The side of a drawing sheet, work out a simple calculation. The circumference of circle, this you would have studied in school days. 2 pi r is the formula. That is 2 times of radius will be diameter. So pi d is the formula. So pi value 22 by 7 is 3.14 into diameter of circle given as 50 mm. So using calculator you work it out is 157 mm. 157 mm means 15.7 centimeter. Okay. So now we are going to draw cycloid of a circle. So the circle diameter is given as 50 mm. So 25 mm will be the radius. Take it using a scale and compass, that is 2.5 centimeter. And a circle is drawn on the drawing sheet. Use a 2H pencil for drawing the circle. 2H pencil means it will be lighter. The final curve is to be highlighted using H or HB pencil, appears to be dark. Okay, so the circle of diameter 50 mm is obtained. Now locate the center of the circle as point O. Okay, now I am going to draw a line, horizontal line passing through center O of the circle. So using roll-on scale or ordinary scale, draw center line passing through center of the circle. Okay, like this, and take your protractor. In the protractor, this will be the baseline. Bottommost line is the baseline of a protractor, printed black color line, and this will be the center of your protractor. This will be center of your protractor. With this point coincidence on point O, adjust your protractor. The printed line must match with the horizontal line. Okay, the total angle in the circle is 360 degree. 360 divided by 12. I am going to divide the circle into 12 equal parts, is equal to 30 degree. You can put it in calculator. So this horizontal line baseline will be 0 degree. Read like this: 0, 10, 20, 30, put a point. 30 plus 30 will be 60, put a point. 60 plus 30, 90. put a point. 90 plus 30, 120, then 150, then 180. Okay, join the connect points marked with the center of the circle. Join with O. Okay, only touching the circumference of the circle and extend on the other side of the circle also, like this. Join with O point. The marked points are joined with O point. Now the circle has been divided into 12 equal parts by this procedure. Let us give number to the points obtained on the circumference of the circle. So this will be starting point marked as P for generating cycloid of a circle. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the P point will also be 12th point. Okay, now using your free what is called as roll-on scale, draw a line parallel to center of your circle, that is 9, 3. 9, 3 is the horizontal line. Keep your edge of the scale in coincidence with 0, with coincidence with 3 and 9. Move your scale downward and draw one horizontal line passing through P of the circle. The length of the line, the straight line, is taken as equal to circumference of circle. What we obtained is 157 mm. Okay, from point P, 157 means 15.5 centimeter. Draw one horizontal line. This forms a straight line. 157 mm means 15.7 centimeter. 15 centimeter plus 7 small divisions. Understand? So this end point may be marked as, say, P dash. Okay. So now I'm going to divide the straight line P dash into equal number of parts, say 12 parts, as we did for circle. The circle and the straight line is to be divided into equal number of parts, say 12 parts. So for that I'm going to follow one procedure. Draw one inclined line from point P. The length of the inclined line is chosen in such a way that it is easily divisible by 12. Suppose if I take 120 means 120 divided by 12 will be 10. So 10 mm mark on this inclined line. It may be of any angle. Okay, 10 mm means 1 centimeter. So for every 1 centimeter you mark a division on the inclined line, so that the length will be 120 mm. 120 divided by 12 equal parts will be 10 mm, like that 12 times. Let us name it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Join 12 and P dash. So align your scale, freehand scale or by roll-on scale. Join 12th point with P point, P dash. With the same setting, just to move your scale so that you can draw inclined parallel lines like this. Inclined parallel lines with the same setting you have to do it. So that this horizontal line P dash will be divided into 12 equal parts by this procedure. Okay. So now P dash has been divided into 12 equal parts, same as the circle. Okay. So let us give number to the points obtained. Again, you name it. This is first point. This will be second, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and P dash will be 12th point. Okay, up to what we followed is step 1. In step 2, draw a horizontal line passing through center of your circle. So align your scale. Keep the edge over the line 3, 9 like this. Okay, and extend this line passing through center of the rolling circle. This blue color circle is called as rolling circle. Draw a line passing through O or center of your circle. Okay. Next, keep your scale, turn your scale, keep it vertical. That is on the line OP. The edge should coincide with OP. Okay. Then you draw several vertical lines passing through 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 12. Draw vertical lines. The vertical length, height of the vertical line must be equal to OP distance. That is, draw several vertical lines passing through 1, 2, 3, 4 up to the center of your rolling circle. Draw several vertical parallel lines like this. Okay, so now we're going to mark points. This is the first vertical line passing through one of the horizontal line or straight line. This point of intersection with the line passing through O of the circle. This point shall be marked as, say, O suffix 1. Understand? Similarly, this will be O2. This point will be O3, O suffix 4, O suffix 5, O suffix 6, O suffix 7, O suffix 8, O9, O10, O11. This will be O12. Now I am going to draw lines passing through 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 12 horizontal lines. Keep the scale edge in coincidence with PP dash. PP dash is a baseline which you have drawn initially. Okay, now roll your scale or move your scale parallel to PP dash. Draw horizontal line passing through one of the circle. One of the circle means this is a point called 1. Draw horizontal line passing through one of the circle. It also merges with the point 12. That is, if you draw a line, horizontal line passing through one of the circle, it will also merges with the 11th point of the circle. Similarly, roll your scale, draw horizontal line passing through one of the circle. It also merges with 10. 3 of the rollings are already drawn. So 4, draw a line passing through 4 of the circle. It also merges with 0.8 on the other side. Similarly, 5, 6. Okay. Draw several horizontal lines passing through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of the circle. Okay. Next, take your radius of the rolling circle in your compass. Radius is 25 mm. Keeping O1 as center, cut a arc on the line passing through one of the circle. One of the circle means this is a line parallel to OP. Keeping O1 as center, cut a arc on the line passing through one of the circle means this is a point. Okay. This point of intersection shall be marked as, say, P suffix 1. P1. Similarly, with the same radius, 25 mm in your compass, keeping O2 as center, cut a arc on the line passing through 2 of the circle. On the left hand side, you have to cut. Okay, this point shall be marked as, say, P2. P suffix 2. Similarly, O3 as center, cut a arc on the line passing through 3 of your circle. This point shall be marked as P3. O4 as center, cut a arc line passing through 4 of the circle. This is a line passing through 4. This will be P4. O5 as center, cut a arc line passing through 5 of the circle. Then O6 as center, O7 as a center, passing through 7 of the circle. This horizontal line. This you have to do it on the other side. Okay. O8 as center, cut a arc on the line passing through 8. 8 means this is a line passing. O9 as a center, cut a arc on the line passing through 9 of the circle. Then O10 as center, cut a arc on the line passing through 10 of the circle. O11 as center, cut a arc on the line passing through 11 of the circle. Okay, next O12 as center, cut a arc line passing through 12 of the circle. That is a baseline itself. This will merge with P dash itself. Okay, let us give the name to the points obtained. This will be P5, this will be P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11, and P dash will be P 12th point. Draw a smooth curve passing through these obtained points starting from letter P. So join P with P1. First you draw a lighter line. Your hand should bend. Don't use a scale for this. It should be a freehand curve. Gradually it should be turning. Don't turn your drawing board or drawing sheet. Draw a smooth curve passing through these. If the line goes cross, if the curve goes cross, means you erase that part and correct it. Don't paint the curve. Don't do like this. It should be single stroke or single pass. Similarly, join the profile. Initially, you won't get correctly. By practice only, you will get the smooth curve. You have to draw several times and verify it. First, you draw a lighter line. Then later, you can make it a dark. This profile is called as cycloid of a circle. So I use a different color for visibility. Starting from P with P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, then on the other side. Draw this curve by H or HB pencil as it is answer asked in the question. The lines, circle, vertical lines, horizontal lines, dividing into 12 equal parts shall be done by using 2H pencil, lighter lines. The final curve is a cycloid of a circle. Tangent and normal, you have to draw it by using H or HB pencil, appears to be dark. Okay. Next, what is asked in the question? Also draw tangent and a normal at any point on the curve. Let me choose one point. Say this is a point. Anywhere you can choose this point. Let us mark this as point P. For this located point, I am going to draw tangent and a normal. Okay, I'll explain. Take the radius of the rolling circle in your compass. Okay, keeping P as a center, located point as center, cut a arc on the line passing through O of the circle. O means this is horizontal line. That is O1, O2. That horizontal line, you have to cut it. Okay, it cuts it here. Let this point be marked as, this point shall be marked as, say, any letter can provide E. Draw a vertical line passing through point E downward. So keep your scale edge over the line, vertical line P6. Edges should coincide. Then move your scale through E, draw a vertical line. This vertical line where it intersects with P dash baseline. That point shall be marked as, say, N. This is the point. Join NP by freehand scale. Join NP by HR2H pencil and extend on the other side of point P. This is N means this will be N dash, normal. Then you can turn your freehand scale, keep the short range of your scale in coincidence with N dash at a point P as corner of your scale. Align your scale like this. So using this longer edge of your scale, draw a line like this and extend this on the other side of point P. Okay, this forms a tangent. T dash is the tangent, N dash is a normal. The angle between T dash and N dash will be 90 degree. That you can check it using protractor. Then finally, similarly, if you want to mark any point P at here, the same process is repeated. You have to locate point P. Then take the radius of rolling circle in your compass. Cut a arc on this left hand side. You have to cut it like this. Okay, this point of intersection will be marked as E. Then you draw vertical line passing through point E, where it intersects with the horizontal baseline. That point shall be marked as N. Then if you join NP, that will be normal, and perpendicular to that you can draw tangent. Okay, next final step is to write all dimensions are in mm. So before that, let me give the size. What is the size of the rolling circle? Is radius is taken as 25 mm. So extend this line, inclined line, like this. This type of line is called leader line. Then you draw one horizontal line at this point. So I'm going to mark in terms of radius. So put one narrow head, arrow head. OP is 08. I taken O8 as the reference for marking the radius. This distance is radius. So R stands for radius. R 25 is written. Suppose if you want to mark in terms of diameter, means you have to put another arrow at here, so that this distance will be diameter of the circle. Then you have to use pi 25. Pi is the notation used to indicate the diameter of the circle. This symbol plus 50 you have to write, pi 50. Here I mentioned in terms of radius, so R25 is written. And the last step is to write this 25 in terms of millimeter we have taken. Don't write mm at here. Common representation you have to make it on the right side lower part of your diagram. So parallel to PP dash, move your scale right side lower part, draw two guidelines for uniform height of letters downward. Then you can write common representation, some 4 mm or 5 mm gap between two guidelines, and you can write a statement called as all dimensions. Dimensions means a size. In capital letters, all dimensions are in mm alone you write by small letter, that stands for millimeter. Millimeter means is a unit followed for this 25 mm. This completes cycloid of a circle asked in the question. So you also practice and score better marks in the university examinations. And thanks for listening. Yes.